I've been using products from Dash for a long time, and I've always liked how simple and beginner-friendly their kitchen tools feel in everyday use. I enjoy how Dash focuses on compact designs and easy cooking, which makes quick meals feel less stressful and more convenient. Finding the best Dash air fryer can feel tricky when there are so many sizes, styles, and features to compare. The best Dash air fryer is often the one that fits your kitchen space, cooking habits, and daily meals without making things feel complicated. I've looked at how these air fryers work in real homes across the USA, especially for quick snacks, frozen foods, and easy weeknight dinners, so I know what matters most before buying. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Dash DVAF700GBGY01 Clearview Digital Air Fryer. The Dash DVAF700GBGY01 Clearview Digital Air Fryer is built for larger meals and family cooking. This 7-quart model gives enough room for wings, vegetables, or a whole chicken without feeling cramped. Clearview window helps reduce guesswork while cooking and keeps heat inside. Shake reminder makes it easier to get even texture without forgetting to flip food. One small downside is that the larger size may take up more counter space in small kitchens. Overall, it feels practical for family meals and fits well in many homes across the USA. Number 4. Dash Deluxe DFAF 455GBAQ01 Air Fryer 6-quart. The Dash Deluxe DFAF 455GBAQ01 Air Fryer 6-quart offers more space for people who cook larger portions at home. This 6-quart model feels helpful for families, meal prep, or weekend snacks during game nights. The Dash Deluxe Air Fryer 6-quart heats quickly and gives food a crisp finish without making cooking feel hard. A large fry basket gives enough room for fries, chicken, or frozen foods in one batch. The adjustable temperature control helps you cook different foods without guessing. The lightweight build also makes it easy to move or store when needed. Fast heat system helps meals cook evenly and saves time in the kitchen. One small downside is that the manual dials may feel basic compared to digital controls. Number 3. Dash DAF-G34GBN-V02 Flip and Fry Digital Grill. The Dash DAF-G34GBN-V02 Flip and Fry Digital Grill brings 2 cooking styles into one compact design. This 3-quart model works well for small kitchens and quick daily meals. I liked how the touchscreen keeps cooking simple, even for beginners. Digital touchscreen makes selecting modes quick and easy during busy evenings. It also fits nicely on smaller counters, which is helpful for apartments or dorm spaces in the USA. This unit can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate in one place. The flip design gives it a unique feel compared to many standard basket air fryers. Dehydrate function is great for homemade fruit snacks or dried treats. It may also suit people searching for the best mini air fryer with added grilling features. One small downside is that the 3-quart size may feel limited for larger meals. Overall, it feels practical, simple, and fun for everyday cooking. Number 2. Dash Digital DCAF260GBGY02 Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. The Dash Digital DCAF260GBGY02 Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is a compact option that works well for small kitchens or apartments. This 2.6-quart model feels made for 1 or 2 people who want quick meals without using a full oven. I liked how fast it heated up, especially for fries, frozen snacks, and simple lunches after a busy day. Quick heat time helps cut waiting time, which is useful when you want food ready fast. Adjustable temperature settings give you more control over texture and crispness. Auto shutoff adds peace of mind when cooking in a small space. It also fits well for anyone searching for the best mini air fryer for daily use. One small downside is that the basket may feel too small for larger family portions. Overall, it feels reliable, simple, and easy to use every day.
Number 1. Dash Bravo DAFT 235 GBSS01 XL Pro Oven. The Dash Bravo DAFT 235 GBSS01 XL Pro Oven feels like a smart pick for anyone who wants more than a basic air fryer. This 23-liter model gives enough room for family meals, toast, pizza, or quick snacks without taking over the whole counter. I found the controls simple, so it does not take much time to learn. AirCrisp cooking helps food come out crisp without needing too much oil. The grill combo design makes this oven more flexible than many compact units. It can air fry, bake, broil, toast, and warm food in one place. Bright oven light makes it easy to check food without opening the door. It may also work for people searching for the best mini air fryer with extra cooking space. One small downside is that the outside can feel warm during long cooking sessions. Overall, it feels reliable for daily cooking and family use. Final verdict. If you want the most complete cooking experience, the Dash Bravo DAFT 235 GBSS01 XL Pro Oven stands out as the best overall pick. It gives you more cooking space, multiple functions, and the flexibility to handle family meals, baking, air frying, and grilling in one appliance. It feels like the strongest all-around choice for people who want one machine to do almost everything. For a smaller kitchen or a simple daily option, the Dash Digital DCFT 260 GBGY02 Tasti-Crisp air fryer is a smart choice. It works especially well for singles, couples, dorm rooms, or quick snacks without taking up much space. Both models have strong user feedback and practical features for everyday cooking. Check the description links for current details, compare features, and choose the one that fits your style and cooking needs best.